Good morning, children. Welcome to Guru Gobind Singh Public School and Junior College. Standard 5th Subject Geography. Children, we are learning lesson number 17, Clothes are necessity. Today you will learn the second part of the lesson. After watching this video, students should be able to know about diversity of clothes is a part of the diversity in our country. To know the types of clothes and textile industry. To know Mumbai was famous worldwide for its textile mills. Children, in the previous part of the lesson, you have learned about desire. Wanting things we do not need them is called desire, and attraction for something can turn to greed. You have learned about the examples of the textiles that are specialities of Maharashtra. For example, Paithani of Paithan and Evla, Himru shawls from Aurangabad, bedsheets and bedspreads from Solapur, handloom and powerloom cloth from Ichalkaranji. Children, observe the picture of variety of saris. Lucknow chicken, Kashmir silk, Banarasi silk, Kadiyal, Pitambari, Pochampalli, Narayanpet, Kanzivaram, Patola and Mysore silk are some types of saris. These saris from different parts of India showcase the diversity of our country. For example, Paithani and Narayanpet are the famous sari types in Maharashtra. Let's see the names of some states and the fabric or garments they are famous for given in the table. States: Maharashtra, Gujarat, Punjab, Odisha, West Bengal and Karnataka. Let's see the fabric and garments famous in that state. Maharashtra is famous for Nawari sari, Paithani, dhoti, kurta, petha, caps, uparna, etc. Gujarat: घाघरा चोली, ओढ़नी, पटोला सिल्क साड़ी, बांधनी सिल्क साड़ी, काफनी एक्सेट्रा. पंजाब: कुर्ता पजामा, सलवार कमीज, पटियाला सिल्क साड़ी, टर्बन, फुलकारी शॉल्स एक्सेट्रा. ओडिशा: संबलपुरी साड़ी, बोमकाई साड़ी, काटकी साड़ी, कुर्ता गामोचा एक्सेट्रा. वेस्ट बंगाल: धोती पंजाबी, ढकाई सिल्क साड़ी, बलुचारी सिल्क साड़ी, कांथा साड़ी एक्सेट्रा. कर्नाटका: वालकमल साड़ी, सिल्क साड़ी, शिफॉन साड़ी, कोटा सिल्क साड़ी, कांथा साड़ी एक्सेट्रा. Children, you know that in India we have observed unity in diversity. Variety of fabrics and costume signifies the diversity among the people. There are variety of fabrics and costumes in India. We can find this variety due to diverse climatic conditions in different parts of our country and the availability of transport facilities. Dear students, you know that during the evolution of man, his body went through many changes. One of the changes was the reduction in the amount of body hair. As a result, he began to need protection from the elements in certain weather conditions. Thus arose the need for clothes. We can see a variety in the clothes used through the ages. In prehistoric times, man did not wear clothes. Later he began using the bark and leaves of trees. After that, he began to hunt and use the skins of the animals he had killed. After he learned to make a yarn from materials like cotton wool, he began to use cotton cloth in variety of ways. Children, natural fibers are those that are obtained from living things like plants or animals. You can observe in the picture, cotton cloth is obtained from cotton wool and wool is obtained from sheep. Let's see the synthetic fiber. Nylon, rayon, polyester, etc. are man-made fibers. Let's see the textile mills in Mumbai. First picture shows earlier textile mill in Mumbai. Second picture is the latest textile mill in Mumbai. Children, Mumbai was famous worldwide for its textile mills. The humid weather on the island facilitates the manufacture of long thread for making cloth. That is why Mumbai became a big center for the textile industry. The flourishing cloth industry attracted workers from all over the country who came and settled here. From then on, Mumbai became an important hub for financial activity in India. Children, always remember that nature has given us enough to fulfill everyone's needs. However, nature cannot quench man's greed. Quench means children fulfill man's greed. Man must give priority to his needs and not desires. Only then will nature be able to take care of us all. Now let's see what we have learned from the lesson. Wanting things you do not need is desire, not necessity. We must use things only as we need them. Several regions in our country have a tradition of producing fabrics characteristics of the place. We learned about the diversity in clothing in our country with the help of maps. Let's see the home assignment. Children, read the lesson carefully. Visit a fabric or garment exhibition nearby. Obtain information about the utility of the clothes on display. Thank you.